Hello, hello. My name is Deepa Abraham. I am trying to raise a pitch deck for eLink with DLink. This is to transact with ease, and this is to find a sustainable solution to transact with ease virtually and digitally with the better than cash framework. So it's just as simple as that to eLink with DLink. And with an e-link, it's possible to transact with ease across borders and beyond boundaries. And it's just possible to create a digital, a better than cash framework for digital payments, and totally de-link from physical debit and credit cards. Um, this would be a boon, um, uh, and there is no reason to be afraid of a hack. And so it's better cybersecurity and cyber intelligence at work, provided we can design engineer something together.